Okay, so we've got 2 screws left. There's really no need to over tighten these. If you do, they could possibly strip out, which, you know, avoid that. It's not an airplane. Okay, so screen is installed. Your cover will snap right back on just the way it came off. Sometimes you can visually inspect and make sure nothing is bent or damaged. There's another video where the guy pulls this clip out from the front. Avoid that because you will break all the plastic that holds it back here. You don't need to snap those off, as you saw. So we're going to set it right back on there, and you're gently going to press and massage the screen cover back into its place. Gently. We don't want to crack the brand new screen. If it's not going easy, then spend more time on it. I'm having a problem getting that. There we go. Okay, open it back up, or actually close it, and then clip these 2 little guys back together. Kind of a pain. Oh, come on. I am going to use that flathead. Maybe not successfully. Okay, so these clips are annoying, I know. There. Finally. Oh, that one was easy. Okay, so there's that. Screen is installed. Battery. Oh, come on. Okay, this is the hardest part. Alright. And done. There you go. Enjoy.